I'm Chip Lowell, and I'm the VP of Sales and Product Development for Velocity Micro, and we're showing off the Cinemagic's Fuze box. And here at CES, we're announcing our new slimline chassis. Very, very CE looking, very, very sleek, very powerful. And basically, what the Fuze box is it's a home theater PC, but hides the PC piece. When you start this machine up, instead of going through all of the Windows startup modes and that kind of thing, you basically see a boot screen and then right to the Fuze interface. And our Fuze box has a very similar interface, as you can see. Simple icons. If I were to ask you how would you play music, I bet you would choose the music icon on the screen. And if I wanted to play movies, I'd go to movies. And my home videos or photos, right here, very simple and easy to use. Now, many folks are certainly familiar with the fact that a computer can play music and a computer can show movies. But what the power is behind the Fuze box is not only does it do that in your home theater, but it can do it throughout the home as well. So in the case of music, for example, we can come into our music application, pick the little jazz, and tell it to play now, and we'll get our typical album art, transport controls, playlist, all going on that we're normally used to seeing, whether it's on a handheld device or a PC. But something new is added in this case. What you'll see over here is areas. In fact, right now it's playing in our home theater, right here on this screen. But we also have other available areas, a master bathroom, the optical output to an amp, but this could also say patio, master bedroom, bedroom number 2, garage, playroom, whatever you'd like. In fact, up to 9 audio zones are supported. What do I mean by supported? Well, we have some jazz playing in the home theater. What if I also want it in the master bath? I simply choose master bath, and now it's playing in the master bath and the home theater synchronized. Another very, very difficult thing to do with computers, but very easy to do with the Fuze box. Now, what if I said, well, this is all fine and dandy. I can easily play music anywhere I want to in the house just by running a bunch of speakers. Well, what if you wanted to play 2 different things in 2 different places? Well, you can do that as well. We simply go back to our music application. In this case, we're going to choose a different genre. Choose areas this time. And you'll note that the home theater has a little notes icon, lets you know something's going on there already. So we don't want to override that, but we do want this playing in the master bath. I go back to my home screen, and I see that I've got my jazz playing in the home theater, and I now have my Latin sound genre playing in my master bathroom. Again, I can have up to 9 zones playing all the same thing, and you mix and match in between. Extremely fun, and extremely powerful, and extremely easy. Now, the other big thing folks ask about all the time is, hey, I hear about being able to put my movies on a computer. And you know, there are certainly ways to do that. There's a lot of third-party software out there that can help you get your DVD collection that you own archived onto a hard drive. Well, once you have it on there, we have a way to help you get it on with one click using what we call the Fuze Media Manager. The Fuze Media Manager from a client PC running any type of software for decrypting can easily take your movies and put it onto the Fuze box, and then you have your movie library in a central location. So when I go to my movies, I instantly have access to all of my album art, covers, and navigation. I can simply just play a movie. I can go over here to The Two Towers, Lord of the Rings, go right to the menu, and I'm ready to play my movie. Other things that are available, of course, in your home theater and then across your entire home using any type of media center extender, like an Xbox 360, is the movie library, your music controls, your home videos, your photos. We also now have ways to tie in through through the internet to use things like Netflix, so you can have access to all of that as well.